Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August the 15th, 2019, and I wanted to show you some of our cabbages that we harvested off. Now this one here is a premium late flat Dutch cabbage, and we have to get them off because we have had so much rain this year that some of the cabbages are starting to rot, which is not a good thing. So this particular cabbage here is about 12 pounds, and you can see how large this thing here is. And this particular cabbage here is about 12 pounds. You can see how large it is. It grew very well for us this year. I will show you the ones that are still growing out in the garden. Now, we fed these this year with, we did our compost, and then we gave them the Epsima plant tone, which I will have a link down in the description for that, so you can check that plant food out. It is an organic plant food, so you can look at that. And then back here is another cabbage. Now this one here, we did have to cut a lot out of it due to what happened to it from when it rotted. So we definitely have to get these here off. And this here is one of our red acre cabbages here. Now what actually happened with this one is it had stopped growing, and then it started growing again, and with all the rain it just split. So we had to cut all the stuff out of it so we can use it. And this is really good cabbage, even if you choose to use it like for coleslaw. And you can cook with it, put it in your soups, your vegetable soups. You can make stuffed cabbage rolls. All kinds of different things you can do with your cabbage. You can make sauerkraut out of it. I do have a video on my channel and an update video on making sauerkraut and then how the sauerkraut did. So you can check those out on my channel. So I will show you the other cabbages that are still growing out in the garden, so we'll be right back. But this is our red acre cabbage here, and we are having some issues this year with the cabbage rotting from all of the rain that we've had, and some of the cabbage stops growing and then it starts growing again, which causes it to split. Some of our red acre cabbage just split on us, and it's not the best thing to have happen, but things do need water, but then there comes where you get too much water. So that is one of the downsides of growing cabbage. So this is some of our premium late flat Dutch cabbage, and we did pull one of these off today. It was over 12 pounds about, and that makes excellent sauerkraut. That was one that was harvested there. And we are growing Brunswick cabbage too. Now I'm not sure where that there is. I can't see the tags right now, so I'm not sure where that is. But this cabbage over here was already harvested, and you can see it's starting to put the little cabbages off, and then you'll be able to eat those when they form the heads inside of them. And here's another one over here that's doing that as well. And you can see there's more cabbage here. Now, the one that we harvested earlier today, the late flat Dutch one, that was actually not the largest head that we have growing out here. There's ones out here that are actually larger than that.